The 2026 Mazda RX-8 marks the thrilling return of a truly unique sports car, reviving the spirit of rotary power for a new generation. After years of speculation and countless concept rumors, Mazda has finally reintroduced the RX-8 with modern styling, advanced technology, and most importantly, a newly refined rotary engine. This isn't just a nostalgic comeback, it's a bold step forward that blends Mazda's performance heritage with contemporary engineering. At first glance, the design of the 2026 RX-8 immediately commands attention. It retains the sleek, low-slung proportions that made the original a standout, but now wears Mazda's latest Kato design language with sharper lines, aggressive aerodynamics, and a more athletic stance. The distinctive freestyle rear-hinged doors, a hallmark of the RX-8, have been retained, adding both practicality and a sense of uniqueness that few modern sports cars offer. The front end features a bolder grille, flanked by slim, piercing LED headlights, while the rear is sculpted with a subtle, integrated spoiler and sleek taillights that wrap around the body, giving it a futuristic yet familiar appearance. Under the hood, the heart of the RX-8 is reborn with a next-generation rotary engine. Mazda has worked tirelessly to address the shortcomings of the past, particularly the issues with fuel efficiency and emissions that once plagued rotary power plants. The new engine, dubbed the Skyactiv R, is more compact, more efficient, and significantly cleaner. It's paired with a mild hybrid system that not only boosts power delivery, but also helps meet modern environmental standards. This combination produces an estimated 300 horsepower, providing an exhilarating driving experience with the high-revving, smooth character that rotary fans have always loved. The engine's sound is a perfect balance between refined and raw, offering a thrilling auditory experience as it climbs toward its red line. The 2026 RX-8's driving dynamics are where Mazda's commitment to the Jinba Itai philosophy truly shines. The car's lightweight construction, near-perfect weight distribution, and sharp steering make it feel agile and connected, whether you're carving through mountain roads or enjoying a spirited drive on the highway. Mazda has fine-tuned the suspension to deliver both comfort and precision, making the RX-8 a true driver's car that still offers day-to-day usability. A 6-speed manual transmission comes standard, staying true to the car's purest roots, while a quick-shifting automatic is also available for those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience. Inside, the cabin of the new RX-8 blends sporty aesthetics with modern technology. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen with Mazda's intuitive interface, and premium materials throughout. The low seating position and supportive bucket seats enhance the feeling of being part of the machine. Despite being a compact sports car, the RX-8 maintains its unique four-door layout, offering rear seats that are actually usable for short trips or extra storage space. Making it more practical than many of its competitors, Mazda has also prioritized safety and connectivity in the new RX-8. It comes equipped with the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system is available to elevate the audio experience. The return of the RX-8 is not just about reviving a nameplate, it's about reigniting Mazda's passion for innovative performance cars. With its captivating design, improved rotary engine, engaging driving dynamics, and everyday practicality, the 2026 Mazda RX-8 stands out as one of the most exciting sports cars to hit the market. It's a car built for enthusiasts who crave something different, something soulful, and something that connects the driver to the road in a way few modern vehicles can. The RX-8 is back, and it's better than ever.